Hi guys, this is my grocery haul for this week. I got these two different types of tortellini or ravioli. This one has got porcini mushrooms in it and this second one is tomato and mozzarella, and I'm going to make a sauce to go on those, and I think I'm going to do a creamy sauce. I've got this big tub of cream, and I'm also going to do spinach and garlic mushrooms as a separate meal because I think that will be nice too. Another recipe that I'm going to do is pizza. So Trevor will make the bases. I've got the mozzarella there, and I'm going to do goat cheese, and somewhere there's some figs. These are the figs. My only concern is they look a little bit green, maybe a bit on the firm side. We'll see. And then I got pretzels, oranges, Italian herb. I just love this mix of herbs for seasoning. We go through it quite quickly. I put it in everything, mince, spaghetti. It's got like a basil is probably the strongest flavours. It's got a nice base for tomatoey stuff. I also got tomatoes and mozzarella, which I quite often have for lunch, although my basil that I've got on the windowsill, since it's been snowing, looks like it's got a bit too cold, so I might put Italian herb on it. I also got whole milk, some sweet potatoes, which I'm going to do roasted up. I'm probably going to do some more chicken wings. I've been enjoying those recently. And then I got 2 packets of bananas, some pork mince. This is to make a dish with tofu, which I have already got. Then I got a dozen eggs. We've been getting more eggs recently because I've been having them for breakfast. Some chicken breasts. These are the organic ones, so they're quite expensive for the weight, but we usually share one chicken breast between us, so they go quite a long way. And I think I'm going to do them fried with like a batter on them. And I also got this green veg pack, which has got asparagus, green beans and a little bit of broccoli in it, and I think I've got some fish in the freezer that's going to go with. So this is everything that I have bought for this week, and it came to £41. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with more Vlogmas tomorrow. Bye guys.